Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to perform here changing language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings, then scroll down and choose here language and region. Tab language, and in my case let me switch my language from English to Spanish. So let's tap on Espanol from the Spain, tap done, choose change to Spanish, and as you can see right now the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just choose ajustes, scroll down, tap idioma y región, choose here idioma and choose for example English from United States. Tap listo, cambiar a inglés, and that's it. Now you can use the English version of your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.